I am using 32 GB RAM with Windows 10 Pro version RDP free of cost. And getting internet downloading speed up to 2 GB and uploading speed around 1 GB. So, how I made it? Stay, so you won't miss important details. Also, I will share a new watch time trick update. Now, what is RDP? In simple words, you will get remote access to high-speed system is called RDP. You need IP address, username, and password to get access to the RDP. It is used for different purpose like watch time services, subscriber services, CPM work and many more. You may have seen different users on freelance platform selling watch time and subscribers services. They are all using the same technique that I have shared in my last video. Before, I am sorry for showing laziness in uploading more content. But I do read your comments and try to respond to all of you. I really appreciate your love. Let's move back to the topic. To create free RDP, open Google and type Microsoft Azure. Now, there are two ways to sign up on Azure panel. Using your credit card, you will get $200 free credit for 1 month. They will not charge a single cent just to verify your account. Or create a student account and get $100 free credit for 1 month. But before, you have to register your existing Gmail account on Microsoft. Similarly, Google Cloud Services gives $300 free credits, Amazon Web Services and Alibaba Cloud Services also offer free trials. You can also explore these platforms on YouTube. After signing in on the Azure panel, if I go to Cost Management, again, click on Cost Management. Go to the payment method. Here you can see Azure free credit and its details. You will also receive notification, sometimes instantly and sometimes late. Now, go to the main page. Click on Create a resource. Select Virtual Machine. Do not make any changes on your own if you don't have proper knowledge. Create a new resource group. Enter any random name here. Now enter your virtual machine name. Select RDP region. An image. Select Windows 10 Pro. And size. Go to See All. Find E-Series V5. Click on Select. Here you can see the monthly cost. Note: do not create RDP that cost increases from our free $200 credit. Now, enter your username and password. Don't forget your password or username. Check this box. Click on Review plus Create. Here you will get all the details about your RDP region, operating system, username. Click on Create. Deployment may take 3 to 5 minutes. Don't be worried. Now, go to Resource. Here you will get your RDP, IP address and other details. Copy IP address. Type RDP in Windows search bar. Paste here. Enter username and password. And finally our RDP is ready to use. I hope you will get the idea. Now, if you have watched my last video, I want to mention the update. If you're facing a dropping issue in your watch time, the first step is: do not minimize your browser. Drag browser in one corner. And do same for all browsers. The second step, which is the most important, Change your VPN because free VPN sometimes allocate the same IP address to multiple users. So, it becomes easier for YouTube to detect the same IP address and drop all the watch time. And the third step is properly clear history, cache and cookies of your system. I hope you will like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.